Today, we are going to see one of the most important problem solving technique that how to draw a flowchart. So for drawing a flowchart, we need some certain tools for better execution similar to your C programming. So now I am going to show you how to draw our flowchart in one of the famous tool that is RAPTOR flowchart interpreter. So I am giving here RAPTOR flowchart interpreter. Click on this. So you can see it will open a home page and just please scroll it down. It is given some of the few explanation regard how to use. So this is how it looks, how the flowcharts can be saved. So now you can see there will be two options to download. That is download Raptor Avalonia installer for Windows and download Windows Raptor latest version. So please click on this latest version. It will automatically downloads the setup file and we can install it easily. So I have already installed in my system. So I'm just going to my Raptor application. So it will be opening like this. So this is the window of the Raptor tool where we can able to draw the flowchart. So before going to this, let me tell you what do you mean by flowchart. Flowchart is one of the most important problem solving technique where we can able to represent our problem solving concepts using diagrammatic representation. So before drawing the flowchart, you should know what are the various shapes which can be used to represent our logic when we are writing a program or our algorithm. So now I will be drawing or I will be just drawing a flowchart how to get a number as well as print a number. Suppose I want to store a number in a variable and I want to display that what is the value in that variable that I'm going to show in this particular part. So now so you can see here UML is there, main is there. So you please go to the main option. So there will be two oval shapes that is start and the end. So I want to get a number and display the number. That is the thing. So what I need to do means I please click on this input and drag and drop in between start and end. So you can see here it is been opened like this. So please double click on this. I want to give this enter the value for variable a and my variable name will be written here and place your mouse pointer somewhere so it will be created like so get a is a function is called as input a. So next I will do output. So click on this output and again drag and drop between the input and the end. Again right click edit, then again what I'm going to do means the value for variable a is, again I'm giving here plus a. So you will get confused that what do you mean by this plus a. Plus a is nothing but whatever value you have been stored in the variable I need to display in the output option. So if we should be mandatory using that plus operator along with the variable a. So if I am not using plus operator, I am just writing a means it will be showing some error like this. You can see the error here. ID is unexpected. So for that case, it is the rule that we have to use this plus a in this last line. So I have been wrote here. So now I'm going to save my program. So already it is been done. So I am just going to the same program. So now my program is being saved. So next I need to execute the program. So for execution, what I need to do is I am going to the various ways are there: execute to completion, pause, stop, and step to next shape. So I will be going to the first step that is execute to completion. So you can see here it is asking some value. I'm giving here okay, and it is being displayed like this. See, the value for the variable a is 5. So you can see here, run complete, four symbols evaluated. One, two, three, four. Four symbols are there in this. Okay. So this is the way where we can able to create multiple number of flowcharts. So one more exercise I will be showing. So I am taking the same. So I now I am going to show addition of two numbers. So here in this case, we need to take two symbols for the input. That is, place the arrow mark or pointer to the input option. Again, drag and drop in between start and end. Then right click, edit, enter the value of a. Again, I am giving here variable a. So this is, I got the first variable. So next, again for b, I am doing the same as well. Enter the value of b. So again, I have got the two inputs. So now I need to add these two numbers. So what I had to do means, I want to perform some operation. For that operation, I need to use this assignment symbol. So assignment symbol, again I am using the same procedure. Drag and drop. Again, right click. I am giving here sum a plus b. So two variables. See, a plus b and sum. So in this only I'm going to perform the operation. For example, if my value a is 2, b value is 3, means 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 will be stored in the sum. Okay. So the sum I should display. So for displaying, I need to go for output option. So I'm going for the output option again. Right click, edit. Then again what will happen? Again I'm giving the sum of a and b is, what I am going to do means, I am using that plus and sum. So the sum how I have saved in the assignment part, similar to the sum I have to use here, plus sum. The sum of a and b is plus sum. So your value will be stored in this and it will be shown in the output. See, it is been declared. So you can see here put function. Put function is nothing but displaying or output function. Get is nothing but input. So now I will just run the program using this execute to completion. So it will execute within a fraction of seconds. So I'm giving 6. So I got the value. The sum of a and b is 13. And you can see in this part also it is been showing, that is bottom of the symbols, a equal to 7, b equal to 6, the sum is being added. So similarly it is showing here also. So next I'll be implementing step to next shape. So one by one execution will takes place while clicking on this particular button. So one by one start, it will go to the next one. So it is asking 56. I am writing 56 here and it is showing here. Then I am asking 78 is there. So 56 and 78 is there. So I am adding this to, and my sum value I got as 34, 134. And you can see here, you can see this is the value. Okay. So the addition of two numbers I have done like this. So this is the way it will be showing. So I'm just stopping this. See, it is shown like this, 6 symbols, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 symbols, it is been evaluated and the sum of the a and b is 134. Okay, so this is the way we will be drawing the flowchart in the Raptor flowchart interpreter. I hope this video is useful for you. So I will be Similarly, putting these type of videos in the next upcoming session of different various experiments. So thank you all of you.